Hey trendsetters, how you going? It's part 2 today of preparing, or how I'm preparing the soil for growing garlic. Today, I was going to add the Rooster Booster last week, but it basically rained nearly all last week and the soil was too wet to get onto. It rained again on the weekend. I think we've had something like 8 inches of rain, which is fairly phenomenal for us. And they're predicting showers for the rest of the week, so this is probably as good an opportunity as any to get the Rooster Booster in, or Rooster Booster as in pelletized, composted pelletized chook manure. So it's pretty simple. I'll just show you the Rooster Booster in a minute, and I've got my favourite, it's one of my favourite tools here, it's just a, what do they call it? 3-prong cultivator by Cyclone. And it's great once you've dug the soil with the digging fork. It's great for just cultivating the top 2 or 3 inches of the soil, especially when you add fertilizer over the surface of the soil. It helps just to scratch it in and get it into the soil there a bit. The other thing I'll do after I've fertilized and cultivated, I'll need to water it, because I need to dissolve the Rooster Booster into something that the soil can make use of, so as when I do plant the garlic, it's ready to go. The soil's nice and fertile and ready to take the garlic cloves. Right, I'll just bring you down for a close-up of the Rooster Booster. That is Rooster Booster by Nutrog, as you can see. It's organic plant food, BFA registered product. BFA, I'm not sure what BFA is, but anyhow, it'd be some organic, what do they call them? Certifying company. Now, it says on the back of the packet, slow release booster, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Anyhow, so you got, I don't know if we can see, 3% nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, calcium, magnesium, sulfur, iron, zinc, manganese, all the good stuff. And it says established tree, fruit trees, vegetable and flower beds, 150 grams per square metre. Prior to planting in 100 square metres every 8 to 10 weeks. So that's about 4 of my handfuls per square metre. It's quite a lot. So what I'll do is a little scoopy thing here. I'll scoop it into a bucket. All right, so you just roughly, a metre is just 1 metre by 1 metre by 1 metre, and that's 4 handfuls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'll get my cultivator and basically scratch it in. All right, I'll just mix up another metre here. Once again, roughly square metre. There. So 4 handfuls. 1, 2, as well. You can't smell this. So also I want it, I'm just scratching it into the surface. I'm not worried about deep digging. I've already done that with a digging fork. Just break up any lumps you might come across. And really that's it. That's stage 2. Now hopefully this time next week I'll do almost the same thing, but I'll be using blood and bone. I won't use the cultivator that time, I'll just use the garden rake. Just to level it out, let it sit, and then somewhere around the 20th to the 25th of April, I'll plant the garlic. There you go, job done. Now, alright, so that's it for now. Hope you found this useful. I'll put a link to part 1 at the top of this video. I'll put a card. I think they usually come up on this side. If not, it'll be on that side. Also, if you liked the video, found it useful in any way, if you've got any questions about garlic, planting garlic or preparing soil, I'd love to hear from you. Subscribe, like the video, and I'll catch you possibly in a week's time, and we'll just run through adding the blood and bone to the soil. And then the exciting part, planting the garlic. So cheers, thanks for watching.